Good morning, sir. My name is Ramanath. I am from 4th ECEA. Today we are discussing about ARM register allocation and its types. First, I am taking ARM history. In 1983, developed by Acorn Computers to replace 1605 BBC computers. The four-man VLSI design team and simplicity come from inexperienced team. In 1990, ARM advanced RISC machines owned by the Acorn, Apple and VLSI. This is the ARM Limited designs and license ARM core design but does not by ARC, one of the most licensed thus with widespread processor cores in the world, used in PDA, cell phones, multimedia players, handheld, game, console, digital TV and cameras. Used especially in portable devices due to low power consumption and reasonable performance. This is the ARM powered mobiles. This is the ARM processor, a simple but powerful designs. A ARM family of designs sharing similar designs and principles of command instructions. The popular ARM architectures are ARM 7 TDMI, ARM 9 TDMI, ARM 11. In ARM 7 TDMI, 3 pipeline stages: fetch, decode and execute, and next is high code density, low power consumption, and one of the most used ARM version for the low end systems. The all RAM cores after ARM include TDMI even if they don't include TDMI in the labels. The next is ARM 9 TDMI. Then in the ARM 9 TDMI compatible with ARM 7 only. And the next is ARM 11. These are the ARM family of attribute comparison. In the ARM 7 there are 3 stages. In the ARM 9 there are 5 stages. In the ARM 10 6 stages. ARM 11 8 stages. The typical frequency is 80 Hz in ARM 7, 150 MHz in ARM 9, 250 MHz in ARM 10, 335 MHz in ARM 11. The multiplayer 8x32, 8x32, 16x32, 16x32. ARM is the RISC. The RISC is a simple but powerful instructions that execute within a single cycle at high clock speed. 4 major design rules: instructions, reduced cycle, fixed length. In the pipeline, decode in one stage, no need for microcode. Registers, a large set of general purpose registers. Load store architecture, data processing instructions apply to registers only. Load store to transfer data from memory. And the next is result in simple design and fast clock rate. And the designation blurs because RISC implements these concepts. The next is ARM philosophy. In ARM philosophy, simple processor for low consumptions and high code density for limited memory. These are the ARM architecture. Load store architecture, large array of uniform registers, fixed length 32-bit instructions and 3 address registers. And only 16 registers are visible to a specific mode. A mode could access particular set of R0 to R12 and R13 is SPN stack pointer, R14 is LR1 link registers, R15 is PCN program counter, current program status register CPSR. The uses of R13 and R orthogonal. The general purpose registers. In general purpose registers there are 6 data types, signed and unsigned. All ARM operations are 32-bit shorter data. Types are only supported by data transfer operations. The next is program counter. The program counter stores the address of the instructions to be executed. All the instructions are 32-bit wide and word aligned. Thus the last 2 bits of PCR undefined. This is program status registers. N, Z, C, V, Q and Y, F, T, M, M are registers. In the program registers, the next is processor. In the processor mode, description, user and FIQ, IRQ, users use a normal program execution mode. FIQ supports high-speed data transfer for channel processing. IRQ is for general purpose interrupt handling. Supervisor, SVC, protector mode for operating system. This is the registers. FIQ, IRQ, SVC, undefined and abort. The user R0 to R15 register is there. FIQ user mode R0 to R7, and IRQ R0 to R12, SVC R0 to R12, undefined R0 to R12, and abort R0 to R15. Instruction set. The ARM thumb JL. Instruction size 32-bit and thumb 16-bit. 4 instructions 58 and 32. Data processing. Access to barrel, shifter and ALU. Register usage. 15 general purpose are used. The pipeline. In the pipeline, fetch, decode and execute. NARM9, fetch, decode and execute memory write. Time. DCD, NOP and LDR. Pipeline. The execution of branch or direct modification of PC causes ARM core to flush pipeline. ARM 10 starts to use branch prediction. An instruction in the execution stage will complete even though an interrupt has been raised. Other instructions in the pipeline are abandoned. Interrupts. The vector table, interrupt table handles, and etc. The interrupts, the interrupt shorthand and address. The reset, the shorthand is reset. Undefined, undiff. Software interrupt SWI. Prefetch about PABT. Data about DABT. Reserved DABT. Interrupt request IRQ. Fast interrupt request FIQ. By the reference of ARM developer guide, these are to be developed. Thank you.